Now we shall create the windows. Let us just see the position of windows. Here you can see W1, W2 and W3. Three types of windows are there. W1 is there at 2 locations. W2 is there at 3 locations, and there is one W3 and also a ventilator. Say W3 is having a dimension of 180 by 120. This is the largest window. Okay, we shall draw the W3 first. So in this wall, at the middle of this wall, we have to create W3. So first of all, let us take line and we just mark the middle line. Okay, I have just drawn a line to mark the middle. We know the total width is 180. So I am going to offset O and enter. I am going to offset what distance? 9. Okay, so click here and here. Again click on the middle line and on the other side. So this middle line is no longer needed. Just click escape, then click on this line and delete. Now we shall trim TR and enter. One more enter, then remove the unwanted lines. Now we shall draw the double line as specified here. Here you can see there is a double line. So first of all I am going to draw a line. Since the object snapping is there, you can see the snapping settings can be done at the bottom right. Okay, bottom. So since it is on, a triangle will show the middle of the line. Again moving the cursor, a triangle will appear. Only when the triangle comes you click. So it will correctly snap at the middle of the line. Okay, but we need two lines. So we need to offset the center line. Just escape and offset, enter. Say we shall offset only 0.1. So click here and click on the other side. Then click on the middle line and click on the left side. Then escape and click on the middle line and delete. We need not have that line, so we have a double line at the middle. Okay, so this represents the window. Similarly, you can create all the other windows. Now I shall show you the remaining windows. Here you can draw a line from the middle of this wall and I am drawing it up to this point. What is the size of this window? Let me just check. This is W1, that is 90. That means 45 on both the sides. Now I shall offset through 4.5. Click on the center line, then on the one side, then click on the center line, then on the other side. Remove this line. Escape, click, delete. Now I shall click on the line, click on the center triangle. Again, when the triangle appears, click. Then right click and enter. Now I shall offset, escape, offset, enter. I am offsetting through 0.1, enter. Click on this line and on the other side. Click on this line and on the other side. Then escape and click on this line and delete. So I have created the next window. Now let me see what is next. Here I have W2, that is 135. So you can come here. Here you can click here and click here. Right click and enter. Now escape. Then we shall offset O and enter. 135 by 2, 67.5, enter. Let me just check. O and enter. Then 6.75 and enter. Click here on one side, click here on the other side. Escape, click and delete the line. Now click on the line. As the triangle comes, click Then move as the triangle comes, click, right click and enter. Now offset and enter. Offset distance is 0.1 and enter. Then click on this line on one side, click on this line and on the other side, escape, click on the middle line and delete. Okay, so we have created all the windows in the living room. Similarly, you can create the windows and ventilators in kitchen, bedroom and the toilet. Now I shall create the window in the kitchen. Let us just verify its dimensions. It is W1, that is 90 centimeters. Okay, so it is flushed to this wall. We can just click on this line, click here. I'm just zooming in by rotating the center mouse button, then just click. When the perpendicular line appears, then escape. Now I shall offset through 90. So you shall type O and enter. The distance is 9 and enter. Click here and offset. Okay. Now you need to trim. So escape, TR, enter and remove this line. Now click line, click on the center triangle, and again the perpendicular came, I clicked because there the triangle will not come. Then right click and enter. Then escape, O and enter. Offset through is 0.1. Then click here and on the other side, click here and on this side. Escape, click on the center line and delete. So the window there is also created. Okay, now we have a window here in the bedroom. Let us just see that it is at the middle of this room. Okay, this room is 400 by 300. The middle will be 150. Okay, so we shall go there. I shall create a line, dummy line, from here to 15 and enter. Okay, and an additional line I have created. I have clicked here and deleted that line. I don't want. Then I have clicked on this line, clicked on the rectangle, moved it to the perpendicular. Okay, then escape, then trim, enter. I am removing this. Now I got a line there. What is the size of that window? That is W2, means 135, that is 6.75. So you can just escape, offset, enter. What is the distance? 6.75. Enter. Then click and on this side, click and on this side, click and this side. What happened? Click and click on this side. Okay, escape, then click on this line and delete that line. Now we shall click on this line, triangle comes, you clicked, again here the triangle comes, you clicked, right click and enter. Now we shall offset, escape, offset 0.1 and enter. Then click on this side, click on this line, click on one side, escape, then click on the center line and delete. We don't want that line. Okay, that is all. All the windows are completed. Now we shall draw the ventilator.